Let's see how to create colors effect in Canva. First, let's open up a design. Let's choose create a design. For this example, let's choose whiteboards. So for this, all we need to do is choose a photo that we want to edit. In this case, all we need to do is go to the left-hand side and click on the Elements tab. For this example, I want to edit a picture with a hot air balloon. Let's just look for a photo we want to edit. Let's choose this one. To add colors effect to the photo, all we need to do is click on the photo, go to the top hand side, and click on the edit button. Here, we can see on the left hand side that there's an adjust option. Let's just click on it. And here we can change the picture's brightness, contrast, highlights, and shadows. All we need to do is increase the brightness as well as increase the contrast so you can add a colors effect in Canva. That's it. That's how you add color effect in Canva. See you soon.